store. I
you
can't
are.
find anything to buy. Oh, that's Slitherio.
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 What is that?
Oh, that's Slitherio.
Slitherio blind bags.
Here's all the ones you can get. That.
It's a Slitherio blind bag.
Yeah. And that one right there with the orange eyes is ultra rare.
What do you
Yeah,
say?
can I tell you something?
What?
This is the Murray Show.
I am famous. Then Murray is not playing. Okay? Hey, let's say so tiny. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty interesting. I want to kill that guy. I want to kill him. Sometimes I die and I just kill him. Oh, man, it's on. Skip it, skip it, skip it. And I'm going to defeat that guy to go on 10. That's the one I want. Kill that eye, kill that man, kill it. I died. Wow, I'm so big. I can like kill anybody. If I die, I'll die. Ooh, I killed
Look
him.
at that score. Wow.
Wow, Murray. That's
I'm number 9 on the leaderboard.
yeah.
Number 9 on the leaderboard. Is that Murray? Number 9 on the leaderboard? Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Oh, he circled the little guy. Wow. Oh, eat him, eat him, eat him.
Hey, kill him. Oh, he died. I died.
Benjamin. He killed me. He killed me. Murray number 1. Murray number 1.
Okay, the video's over, and please leave a like, and please subscribe. Yeah. Can we reach 100,000 likes? And so we can get the golden play button. If you're already subscribed, hit the notification button, please. And see you next time in the next Murray Show. Goodbye. No, goodbye.